Go home happy with the 2018 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This hard-working, multidimensional G-Class SUV packs premium luxury, a suite of the latest safety tech including driver assistance, four-wheel drive, intuitive controls, and timeless style. Adventure is calling. What will your answer be? These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, backup camera, fog lamps. Feel energized by a new sense of adventure in this rugged G-Class SUV. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.